Welcome to Coffee Shop Update with Greg Dawson. Today's topic is coffee pot cleaning. Today's cleaning product is Cleancaf from Urnex. It's the only organically listed cleaning product for coffee and espresso machines, and it removes coffee oil residue to prevent bitter tastes. First, fill your coffee pot up with about 4 cups of water. Then dissolve the contents of the Cleancaf package into the warm water. Then pour it into the reservoir. Turn on the machine. Begin the brew cycle. And let it brew all the way through. You'll notice a bit of suds popping up, and that's the Cleancaf in action. Once it's done brewing, turn the machine off, pour out the contents, rinse it out, rinse all components and repeat brew cycle twice with clean water. Thanks for watching this edition of Coffee Shop Update. Tune in next time. Thank you.